Hey, this is Travels with Dottie, and today I got something a little special for you. I'm going to do a product review on this device that's filming me called the Hover X1. And let me be clear, it is non-paid, non-endorsed. They didn't give it to me. I have no connection with the company whatsoever. I just like when I find something that I think is really cool, I'd like to do a video about it. And this is what you're going to get today. There's several modes in this, and this is what they call the hover mode. And the little selfie camera just kind of floats in the air here, and it doesn't move from that position, but it will follow me. I can walk a whole 360-degree circle, and it will follow me. And even though it's bobbing up in the air back and forth, that you're going to get a steady picture, and you're going to get sound that has the sound of the selfie. The little drone whine is completely removed from the audio. Now notice I can walk away from it. It does not follow me, but you can still hear my voice pretty clearly. So let's go on to the next mode. This mode is called Orbit. It's about 5 feet away from me, and it will circle me. You notice this is called bird's eye view. Goes up in the air, films me, and then comes back down, theoretically. Here it comes. Bird's eye view. So this is follow mode. No matter where I go, the drone is going to follow me. It's really good, even if I'm changing directions. And I can even change directions pretty rapidly, and it'll be right behind me. It'll follow me wherever I go. One drawback is you see the back of my head. It's really great for, you've seen maybe a video I've done on my e-bike. It'll follow the e-bike, and this little selfie camera will go 20 miles an hour and keep up with me just fine. And when I stop, it'll continue recording, and it's almost in hover mode. And I can talk for a few minutes, and then I can move, and it'll follow me wherever I go. Follow mode is really cool. So this next mode is called zoom out. Records and then comes back. That's not real useful for me, but it could be useful for some applications. So this is called dolly track. And it is both the most useful for me and the most problematic. Dolly track means it'll go in reverse and follow me as I walk, which is pretty cool. And I like to use it for a lot of my videos where I walk around and I talk about things that are going on. It's really useful. Why is it problematic? Let me show you. If I do anything other than walk in a straight line, it struggles to stay in front of me. So I have to move very, very slowly if I change direction. If I go too far, it kind of loses being in front of me, and then eventually it changes over to follow mode. So now it's following me instead of being right in front of me, which is not what I want. So if I turn around and I go back the other way, it'll dolly track again and be right in front of me. So big restriction. I have to walk straight. And I'm going to show you what happens when I stop for a few minutes. It automatically, after a few seconds, it'll stop recording. It won't hover. So I put it back in hover mode so I could finish. So hopefully firmware updates will come out that'll perfect the dolly track, where there'll be improvements where we'll be able to track you going off a straight line. And also, it would be really great if it continued recording when you stopped and then enabled you to resume walking. I'll bet that'll happen soon. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed seeing my little gadget that I love so much. And again, I always appreciate you viewing my videos. It's an incredible thing when you take your time to look and to listen to me. I'm very grateful. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video with Travels with Dottie. Take care.